Hi, welcome to Getting a Green Thumb.
I'm Allie.
And I'm Alexa. Did you know that there are more microorganisms in 1 teaspoon of soil than there are people on Earth?
Today we're going to talk about how our seedlings have done so far and show you how to plant your seedlings and explain how to mix compost soil into your garden.
We planted these seeds about a month ago, and look how much they've grown. We've planted tomatoes, basil, and parsley. This one grew about 3 inches, wow. And this one grew about 6.5 inches. That's just what we wanted them to grow to. We also decided to plant some other things like kale, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, chives, and a lot of other stuff. We just wanted to show you how they turned out. This sage grew to be a little over 4 inches. This pea grew very tall, 9 inches. Wow, they grew perfectly. Hey, Allie, do you know why the tomato blushed?
No.
It's because it saw the salad dressing. This is compost, and we had scrap, and we put fruits and vegetable scraps from the cafeteria into here. It's very nutrient rich, and so we're going to use this to make our garden beds nutrient rich too. Over time, the fruit and vegetable scraps decomposed into this soil. It's important to keep composting every day, even after your garden is planted. Make sure you put fruits and vegetables into your compost, because if you put trash in, it won't decompose. Composting is very important for your garden and for the planet, so be sure to compost if you aren't already.
So it's important to add fresh compost to your garden. It adds nutrients, which will help your plants grow. And also, as you're adding it, to aerate the soil to make sure it has air, which also will help your plants grow. You want to make sure you spread it around evenly as well, mixing it with the other soil that's there.
It's important to weed your garden because then the other plants that you mean to grow have more nutrients.
Hey Allie, what vegetable do you get when an elephant walks through your garden?
What?
Squash!
Ha 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 ha.
To plant, you want to look at the back of the packet to see the recommendation for how far apart your plant should be. You can use a ruler. Usually it's 4 to 6. Some plants need to be more like 8 to 12 inches. When you're planting, you want to make sure that it's not too deep. The base of your plant should be at the ground level. And then it's also important, if it has roots that have already taken hold, is to massage the roots gently. That will allow them to take hold in the garden bed. And then you want to cover and mix in the soil. Eventually, you may want to thin these down to 1 or 2 plants, but they're a little bit young right now, so we're just going to leave them and see how they do. And then eventually, we'll leave the strongest plants and weed out the weaker ones. These natural containers are great to use. It's like newspaper, so they will over time decompose. It also helps hold in moisture. The only thing you want to make sure is that you bury them completely, because if they are above ground, they could suck the moisture away from the plant. So you just want to make sure that those get buried completely.
So right now we're planting parsley. And so we want to give them a little bit of space in between each plant so that way they have enough room for their roots to grow, because eventually they will get larger. So when you first put the plants in the garden bed, you do want to give them some water so that way they can, their soil that they've been in and plus the soil that they are around can be moistened enough that it all kind of blends in together. I'm watering around the plants because we want to get their roots versus their leaves. Because if you hit their leaves, you can see that some of them start to fall because it's too heavy for them. And plus the roots is where they take up water, not by the leaves. The leaves are for the transfer of carbon dioxide and oxygen, so we don't want to block those holes. So you usually want to water in between when the plants dry out. So if you start to see your plants dry, that's when you give them a water. It's not always an exact science. Sometimes you see on back of seed packets to do once a day, but if it's already wet or if it has just rained, you don't want to do that because then it's too much water. So just make sure that you keep an eye on your plants, and if they're dry, then make sure you water them.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Aww.
Mama, I have to take those tomatoes.
Okay, I think I'm gonna plant it like right here. Digging a hole, but I don't want it. Actually, the stick pointing up. The water hole's above soil line.
Yes, Mommy, you got my lines on my hands.
Yeah, they're covered in dirt, huh?
Yeah, why don't, Mama, I will take over that.
No. That's where it's gonna go. Okay, you have to plant it above soil line. Okay, so move the soil actually kind of like away from it. Okay.
Well, let's take this water out.
Nope, that's good right there. Just leave it there for a minute. We could use it in a minute. I'm gonna take apart. How am I gonna take this out? Oh, cool. Okay. Comes over. Whoa. So this one looks pretty healthy.
Why are you making it?
That's how you're supposed to plant it. Back up. Go over here. Go over there. Over there. Right here. Okay. See, I don't know if the camera can see it. It's like an inch. Okay, look. Watch me. Watch me. Okay. Put it in here. Gently. Gently. Don't put the dirt on top of it. Okay. All right. Good job. You need a tiny little hole. Look at, there's a worm. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. No, I don't want you to pick it up. I don't know what kind of worm that is.
What kind of worm is that? Oh.
Jackson.
What other kind of worm it is? Amy doesn't want to see that worm.
There we go. All right, Jackson, you're gonna step on the tomato. Gently, right there. Get it in there. Good job. Go.
Here you go, Mama.
I don't need it right now. All right, we're gonna dig another one right here. Oh, this is a good one. That's this one.
Mama, and I will do this.
Okay. Come up the soil. There you go. Good job. That's good. Now we have to water. Whoa.
You got some under that fucking tomato.
Alright. Let's go get more water. Come here. Okay, do it again. One more time. That way. Good. How'd you do?
Good.
You think we did a good job?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Good job.
Thanks, Mama. I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Getting a Green Thumb.